What's going on, guys? Back at it again with an update and a little bit of work progress that I've done. It's been a while, but it's kind of been busy with work and kind of got burned out a little bit. So we didn't make it as fast, obviously, but we did get some work done on the car. We got another project as well. So let me show you guys what I've done so far to the Chevelle, and then what the new project is. What's going on, everybody? New day. We're back at it again. I did went ahead and cut the rust out of the car. It's three places where it had rust. Let me show you guys. All right, so those are the spots. Actually, I gotta keep going there. I didn't see the spot, so I gotta cut the rest of that. Got this guy here, got that guy there, those two. I have the template there, and I have the sheet in the back of my truck. So let me cut the rest of this out, and then that way we can start putting the new piece of metal in there. I gotta clean it up and then start welding it up. So let me set you guys up. Alright, guys, so I have the sheet of metal here. All I'm gonna do is I'm gonna trace it, trace the pieces that I cut off, and then once we have it in the car, I think we can kind of shape it there as we go. At least that's the plan. Is it going to work? I have no idea, but that is the plan. Cut these bags out and start shaping it. See what kind of shape we need. Show you guys what I mean by too small here. Maybe it might work. Don't quite know yet. Might be good. Let me clean this up. And then I still have to clean it up and then start bending a little bit. I don't know. Let me clean up these edges real quick. This is the progress. Just keep in mind, I've never done this kind of work before. I hardly even weld. So my fitment is not that greatest, but we're getting there. We'll get it. We'll get it figured out. That's the progress on these two. Now, while those cool off, I'm gonna go ahead and cut this piece off, and just kind of go from there. But it's coming out okay. So it's just time consuming. But you know, like I said, I've never really done this, so I don't really know the tricks and the little tips and how to do this kind of stuff. But it's alright. We're figuring it out. So let me cut these other two pieces, and then while that gets cools down. So, man, this is so tedious trying to get everything to fit good, have decent gap when you don't know what you're doing. It kind of sucks. But I do have a couple of stuff I want to show you guys, which is pretty cool, that I found out of my storage unit that honestly I thought I lost. Check out this distributor, Mallory. Pretty nice unit, right? And then I got all of my ARP bolts here. Thought I had lost a couple of them, but I have everything here that I need. All of the bolts, those are all ARP bolts for the intake manifold, the oil pan, timing cover, flywheel, pressure plate, all that good stuff. So I also found the spark plugs. So I found a lot of good stuff. All right, so the Chevelle started patching up the floor pans there, and then I was missing that hump there for the transmission. So I got that in, and then the door I kind of took it all apart to get some paint on it, because I do have all the panels and everything like that. So that's ready to go, and then I am gonna work on finishing the floor so that we can get all the interior wrapped up. Dash is still looking great. Now, as for the new project, found this at an auction, and it was just too good to pass up. It's a 70 Ford Maverick. It's pretty much all there. It's got everything new. It just needs a paint job and put it all back together. So I got it too much of a good deal to pass it up. And it's got every single piece that I need on it. It's got a brand new. On the website, it said it has a 351 Cleveland, but I'm not sure. I haven't really dug into it. It does have the engine is all brand new pistons, brand new cam, rockers. It's got a lot of good stuff. It's got a T5 transmission on it. Let me show you guys the engine itself. All right, so this is it here. Like I said, it brought a bunch of stuff. All that right there is for it. Those are the brand new seats there. So it's got every single part for the car. It's not missing anything. Literally, it's all there. It's just needs a paint job and put it all back together. Um, like I said, it was a good deal, and I just couldn't pass it up. So here's the engine bay. It's all primed, ready for paint. I got two different valve covers for it. Check out the inside. So from what I can tell, the engine's it's not just completely stock. It's got some aftermarket heads. Sorry, aluminum heads. See that name there, and then some rockers, double springs. So I'm assuming it's got a nice cam on it. I haven't heard it start, obviously, but just from seeing the pistons and everything like that, I can tell this it's gonna be a peppy one. So I'm pretty excited. Like I said, it was a pretty good price. Um, it's got disc brakes. Everything is brand new on the bottom, so you can tell. It's got a mini starter. So somebody put a lot of good money into this car, and it was pretty cheap for what I got it for. Got new shorty headers there, uh, so it'll be fun. I think I'm gonna paint the engine bay, and then just get a quick paint job on it, and then put it all back together, and just be just a fun daily, I guess. But we're still gonna keep going on the 71 Chevelle. I decided to slow down on this a little bit and kind of do a little bit better. I was rushing a lot, and I wasn't too happy with the progress that I was making. So anyways, guys, I realized I didn't film an intro, but just a quick update. I'm gonna get back to working on both cars. I think mainly the Maverick is gonna be the first one, and I'll keep you guys updated. I appreciate you guys. If you guys stayed this far, please like the video, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.